Bitcoin has transformed the global financial system. Imagine holding two pineapple seafood pizzas, an ordinary meal, yet part of a historic transaction. 10,000 Bitcoin exchanged for two pizzas in 2010, a mind-blowing turning point. Here's what propelled Bitcoin to the top. The birth of Bitcoin, 2008. Satoshi Nakamoto, the mysterious figure, created Bitcoin, a decentralized system using blockchain to eliminate fraud and financial opacity. This was the revolutionary breakthrough that paved the way for cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin mining, 2009. Mining Bitcoin means solving complex cryptographic puzzles with computers, generating the first supply of Bitcoin. In the early days, with just a personal computer, you could become a millionaire. Explosion and adoption, 2010 to 2021. From the historic pizza transaction, Bitcoin gained attention, appeared on exchanges, and was accepted by major companies like Tesla. Its value skyrocketed by tens of thousands of %, shocking the world. Extreme volatility. Bitcoin is anything but stable. Its price fluctuates like a tsunami. From soaring past $100,000 to dropping to $96,000, Bitcoin presents both high risks and massive profit opportunities. Smart investing requires knowledge and caution. The future of Bitcoin. Despite being banned in some countries, Bitcoin's global influence remains undeniable. Experts predict new record highs. However, risks persist. Invest wisely. These are the key factors behind Bitcoin's success. This is just the tip of the iceberg in the world of cryptocurrency. Let's explore and conquer it together.